Hobbies. Now read more about hobbies and why it is good to have a hobby. Aha hobbir bikhoye porhu. Kio hobby thokatu bhal. We all love to occupy ourselves with different activities in our free time. Ami ajori homoyot nanan thoronor kamot nijok besto rakhiboloi bhal pao. We love to play different types of games. Ami bibhinna thoronor khel kheli boloi bhal pao. We love to sing and dance, draw and paint, read books and travel. Ami gaboloi aru nachi boloi. Chitro anki boloi aru rongdi boloi. Kitab porhi boloi aru ghuri boloi bhal pao. These activities give us pleasure. Ekam bure amak anondo diye. As people say, all work and no play can make our life dull. Manuhe koi, kam, aru khel, dhemali no hole amar, jibon niros hoi jaye. There should be a combination of work and play that makes our life happy. Jibon tu anondit rakhi boloi kam aru khel dhemali kora proyojon. Activities which give us fun and joy are hobbies. Jibur kame amak anando diye, hey buro ke hobby buli koi. There are many kinds of hobbies. Bahut dhoronor hobby ase. Some are indoor activities and some are outdoor activities. Kisuman bhitoruwa aru kisuman bahiror. Collecting stamps and coins, listening to music and reading books are indoor activities. Stamp aru mudra hongro kora, hongit huna aru kitab porha bur bhitoruwa kam. Gardening, traveling, swimming, trekking, photography are outdoor activities. Bagichat kam kora, bhromon kora, hatora, pahar bogova, aru photography ebur, outdoor ba bahiror activity. Playing and painting are both indoor and outdoor activities. Khela aru chitro akha duyota indoor aru outdoor activity. Here are a few hobbies of some of our classmates. Ahasun amar kisuman shrener hoho patir, hobbir bikhoye janilo. Nita, I love to sing. Singing is my hobby. Moi hongit gaboloi bhal pao. Hongit gowa mor hobby. I love singing borgit. Moi borgit gaboloi bhal pao. I also love listening to classical music. Moi hastriyo hongit huni boloyo bhal pao. Every morning I practice singing. Protidin ratipua moi hongit sorsa koru. I like to take out my harmonium and play tunes on it. Moi harmoniumot hongit bojaboloi bhal pao. It gives me great joy. Etue mokbor anando diye. Irfan. I like to paint. Painting is my hobby. Moi chitro akiboloi bhal pao. Chitro okha mur hobby. I use watercolors in my paintings. Moi mur chitrot watercolor bebohar koru. I always carry my art materials with me while visiting different places. Moi jitiya puri boloi jao. Logot art materials loi jao. I like to sit and paint landscapes. Moi bohi prakritik dhrishyo akhi boloi bhal pao. When I am lonely and bored, I take out my paint box and brush and keep myself busy. Moi jetiya ukole thaku aru birokti onubhov. Koru tetiya moi rongor bakos aru tulika loi chitro aki nijoke besto rakhu. I keep my paintings carefully. Moi oka chitro burok jotno kori rakhu. I have participated in different art competitions and won prizes. Moi bibhinno art competitionot agbhaglu aru puroskar orjon kori boloi hokhom hoisu. Runa. My favorite hobby is gardening. Mor priyo hobby hois bagicha. At home, we have a kitchen garden in our backyard and a flower garden in front of the house. Amar randhoni ghoror pisfal bagisa, Ase aru agfale ekhon bagisa ase. We grow all kinds of vegetables in our garden. Amar bagichat nanan thoronor hak pasli ase. I also collect a variety of flowers for our garden. Moi bagichar babe bibhinna thoronor phul hongro koru. I like planting new plants and watering them. Moi notun puli ruboloi aru pani diboloi bhal pao. Every morning I water the plants and clean the beds. Ratipua hodai pani diu aru bagisa khon safa koru. I also look after the garden in our school. Moi amar bidyaloyor bagisa khono jotno lo. It gives me a sense of joy seeing the plants grow. Gos bilakor hoji bota dekhi mor monoloi anando jage. I feel fit and active working in the garden. Bagisat kam kori moi husto aru hokrio onubhov koru. I am also learning a lot about different types of plants. Moi bibhinnao thoronor gos pulir bikhoye hiki asu. Sham. I spend my free time reading. Moi ajori homoyot kitab porhu. Reading is my hobby. Kitab porha mor hobby. I read all kinds of books. Moi hokolo thoronor kitab porhu. I enjoy reading storybooks and biographies of great persons. Moi golpo aru dangor manuhor jiboner kitab porhi anando pao. I also love to read adventure and mystery stories. Moi hahohikota aru rohoshome ghotonar kitab porhi boloi bhal pao. I can read them over and over again and I enjoy doing so. Moi ei kitab bur barebar porhu aru etumuk anandaudie. After reading, I also write a review of the story. Kitabur porhar pisot ebur moi likhu likhiu rakhu. My hobby is collecting stamps. More hobby hois the ghor ticket jomakora. The collecting and study of stamps is called philately.ticket hongro aru odhayon kora kamok philately buli koa hoi. I started collecting stamps when I was in class Y. Moi jitia prothom srenirt asilu tetiar porai the ghor ticket hongro kora arombho korisilu. My uncle who stays in the United States used to write letters to us. Mor khura jijon, America thakisil, hejon, amak sithi likhi pot hesil. I used to take out the stamps from the envelopes and stick them in an album. Moi ei sithi khamor porai ticket kihni atorai albumot logai thoisilu. My grandparents, parents and teachers encouraged me to pursue this hobby. Mor, aita, koka deuta, ma, deuta aru, hikhok bure ei hobby, tuag borai rakhi boloi uthahit korisile. I have a large collection of stamps. Mor bohut honkhyok ticket hongro kora ase. I have learnt a great deal because of this hobby. এই হব্বির কারণে মই বহুত শিকিবলৈ পাইছো. I not only collect stamps but also study the stamps. মই অকল টিকেটবোৰ সংগ্ৰহ নকৰো, এইবোৰক মই অধ্যয়নো কৰো. During my free time, I read about stamps issued by postal departments of different countries. Ajori homoyot moi bibhinno dehor the ghor ticketer bikhoye porhu. Nowadays, with the advancement of technology, communication systems have changed. Ajikali tothyo projukti unnoti hovar karone jogajog bebostha bohut poriboton hol. People mostly communicate through email, SMS, MMS, etc., which are faster. Manuhe ajikali jogajogor karone email, SMS, MMS, আডি ব্যবহার করা হল জিতু নেকি বেশি দ্রুত গতিত চলে but the old postal system is still popular তথাপি পুরনি ডাকঘর ব্যবস্থা আজিও সমানে জনপ্রিয় Hobbies are thus activities that are entertaining and relaxing. হেয়েহে বুঝা যায় hobby এটা মনোরঞ্জক আরু আরামদায়ক কাম. They are pursued during leisure time for pleasure or relaxation. Ebur manuhok jironi homoyot anando aru arram diye. They can be educative too. Hihot hikya muloko hoy. Hobbies help us to use our free time fruitfully. Hobby amak ajori homoy bur upojukto bhabe bebohar korat hohe kore. We can keep ourselves busy and active if we take up a hobby. Hobby thakile, আমি নিজকে ব্যস্ত আরু সক্রিয় করি রাখিব পারিম।